first weekend of the month. This is me again, Jair Mamaklay, your property geek, and we are here behind Zadia Condominium Development, only here in Santa Rosa City, Laguna. So, if kayo yung investor ngayon or type of real estate investor that looking for a potential rental income sa future through real estate, hindi ako mapapahiya sa project na to kasi ano ba talaga yung tinitignan natin para masabi natin, meron ba talagang market dyan? May uupa ba talaga sa akin, no? Kapag bumili ako ng specific condo like dito si Zadia. So for today, we will discuss the potential rental market of Zadia. Bukod sa existing na mga expats, no, na nag-rent na ngayon, no, mga Koreans, Japanese, and American expats nag-rent na ngayon dito sa Towers 1 and 2 ni Zadia. So pupuntahan natin yung mga major locators or yung mga malalapit na magiging rental market ni Zadia, such as the hospitals, the major universities, because this is also considered as the university belt of the South, at yung mga malalapit na central business district. Of course, importante ito, no, dahil alam naman natin na talagang very accessible na kapag nagtatayo ng condo, kaya nga yun yung isa sa mga binabayaran natin, no? Kapag bumibili tayo ng condo, may premium siya dahil within reach na lahat. Pero when it comes to rental market, napakaganda din na napakadami ding magiging potential rental market na hindi school lang, hindi lang yung mga expats, hindi lang yung mga mag-work sa Central Business District, pero lahat captured market nyo. So tutok kayo guys, ipapakita namin sa inyo kung gaano kalapit or just a few kilometers away lang yung mga potential rental market or locators na ito dito kay Zadia. We are now on our first stop, no? And behind me is the University of Santo Tomas Laguna campus, which is a 40-hectare development, the nearest university in Zadia. The distance is just 4 kilometers away, no? Wala pa po 3 minutes by drive, makakarating na kayo. Of course, from Zadia, papasok lang tayo kay Santa Elena City. And as you can see guys, no, this is the main building of UST, named after Dr. Tony Tan Cak Tiong, the founder of Jollibee Foods Corporation. But sa future guys, dahil if makikita nyo, dito tayo sa isang side na to, pero wala pa tayo masyadong makikita dito sa side na to dahil puro talahib pa lang. Pero on our right kasi, ito na yung Greenfield City. Kumbaga kabilang bakod lang, Greenfield City Development na where Zadia is located. So sa future, if talagang matutuloy, no, magkakaroon ng access na hindi na dadaan pa ng highway, kahit na malapit lang naman pag dumaan ng highway dahil malapit lang yung Santa Elena, dito na lang tayo papasok kapag nagkaroon ng access dito going to UST. Kaya naman, if you are planning na gawing dormitel, no, yung magiging unit nyo sa Zadia, hindi kayo mawawala ng market, no, for students. Aside from the UST, which is a 40-hectare university development near Zadia, Zadia is also near 50-hectare development of De La Salle University Laguna campus. So 4.5 kilometers away lang from Zadia itong De La Salle University, which is an extension of their main campus in Taft. So meron silang mga programs, no, na inaalis dun sa Taft and then dito nila nililipat sa Laguna campus nila. So aside from the market, no, or mga students na nandito sa South, meron talagang mga taga-ibang lugar na dito pumupunta sa Laguna dahil yung mga programs na tinitake nila wala naman na dito doon sa Taft, no, or sa Manila campus ni DLSU. Again, this is a 50-hectare development of De La Salle University at napakalaking potential din, no, for dormital purposes ng magiging unit nyo sa Zadia. And our last stop for our major university locator near Zadia, we are here at the construction site of University of the East Santa Rosa Laguna campus, which is just 6 kilometers away from Zadia. So we are here in Eton City, no, another township development. Pero from Zadia, dire-diretso ka lang, no, papunta dito. So ito yung isa sa pinakamalapit na major school ni Zadia. And alam naman natin, isa sa pinaka or one of the major drivers talaga no, when it comes to the development, rental potential market is yung schools. And this is not just schools, guys. We are here at the University Belt of the South na, at napaka-importante na malapit talaga yung i-invest nyong condo, lalo na kapag talagang ipaparent out nyo sa future, or for example, sa una talaga, i-end use nyo, pero hindi kayo problema kahit na mag-upgrade kayo sa future, sa house kayo tumira, magiging self-liquidating na lang talaga siya. And ang pangalawa naman, tignan naman natin kung ano yung pinakamalapit or the nearest hotels in Zadea. We all know if there are hotels, of course, merong demand na may nagstay talaga dito sa area. So we are here in Seda Hotel Nuvali, which is just 1.5 kilometers away from Zadea, or by travel or by car, 2 minutes lang po by drive. So again, we are here in Seda Nuvali, 1.5 kilometers or 2 minutes by drive from Zadea. Another hotel locator is Microtel by Wyndham. So this is just 3.6 kilometers away from Zadea. So may idea din kayo na meron ding mga major hotels sa area. So Microtel also has its branch sa Mall of Asia. So like Seda of Ayala, no, big hotel company din itong si Microtel by Wyndham. And if napanood nyo yung previous videos ko about the Pocket Central Business Districts, hindi rin naman papatalo si Zadea. We are here in East Block in Nuvali, and yung nakita nyo sa unuhan kanina is the LHK South building. So this is just 1.5 kilometers away from Zadea, no? Nakita nyo, ito lang yung building ni Zadea. So napakaganda din na hindi lang tayo surrounded by schools, hindi lang tayo surrounded by hotels, no? Napakaganda na meron din tayong potential rental market sa mga mag-work dito here. Kasi guys, hindi lang ito, no, yung kaisa-isang central business district na malapit kay Zadea, pupuntahan din natin. But this is one of the nearest central business district. Bukod sa sariling business district ni Greenfield City, where Zadea is located, which is the Greenfield Business District, which is just right across, no, the condominium or the project. Kaya dito rin ako napabili talaga sa Zadea kasi nasa heart talaga siya, very accessible, napakadaming drivers for rental market. Another promising central business district, which is only 4.5 kilometers away from Zadea. We are here in Broadfield Development by Ayala. Guys, this is tagged as the sleeping giant and the next Silicon Valley of the Philippines. So tina-target nila yung mga tech companies, and look at that, guys, no, kapag natapos tong development na ito, no, this promising commercial business district, ito yung magiging isa sa pinakamalaking potential rental market ni Zadea, which is very evident na right now dahil may mga expats nang nagre-rent mostly kay Zadea sa Technopark. And you already saw this in my previous Zadea video presentations. We are here at the nearest industrial park, no, kay Zadea. So this is just 3.5 kilometers away from the Zadea, no. This is Laguna Technopark. So nag-house siya ng maraming mga foreign companies, no, dominated by Japanese, Korean, and American companies such as Toshiba, such as Denso, no, mga manufacturing companies siya. Evident na ngayon, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, na yung usual, no, 80 to 90% of the renters there in Zadea are mga expats na nagvi-visit dito for 6 to 12 months, no. Kaya hindi talaga kayo mawawalan ng market dahil ngayon pa lang meron na talagang mga nag-occupy na renter kay Zadea. And we are here on our second major hospital, which is nearest to Zadea. This is just 2.6 kilometers away from Zadea. So, bukod sa walking distance, no, the Medical City South Luzon, maganda din na meron tayong another major Ayala hospital around the area, no? Hindi naman sa, baka kasi isipin mo, baka may possibility kasi na mapuno, Jaire, yung the Medical City, kaya nagpapakita ka ng ibang hospital. Well, may possibility talaga, no? Hindi natin alam, no, kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari, just like nung pandemic, no? Pero maganda rin na aside from the vacancy, kumbaga if you want to have a second opinion from other doctors, hindi kayo mahihirapan kasi surrounded na rin to ng not just no ng mga hospitals but major hospitals here in Santa Rosa. And we are here at the walking distance locators from Zadea. Behind me is the Medical City South Luzon. Lagi ko naman itong binabanggit no, na ito yung pinakamalapit na major hospital kay Zadea dahil it's also within the Greenfield City. No? We all know that Zadea, no, yung developer niya is si Greenfield Development Corporation inside their township project here in Santa Rosa City, Laguna, which is the Greenfield City Development. So nasa loob tayo nito and just right across Zadea, kaya nga naman di ba, may premium yung condo kasi location, it's location. Katapat lang din ni Zadea is ito, no, kung saan tayo nakatayo ngayon, the Greenfield Business District, no. So ganito kalapit yung Zadea. So eto nga, natatanaw ko na nga ngayon, naharangan lang po, no, is the Zadea building. So when it comes to potential rental market, kaya din ako napabili dito guys, it's no question na. It's no-brainer. Lalo na at around 4.2 to 4.3 million, makakakuha po tayo ng studio unit which is way below the market value sa mga bagong nilo-launch na project ngayon. Ang starting na is at 5.5 million pesos. And aside sa mga pinuntahan natin ng mga major locators or drivers, of course sa malls, no? Lagi ko naman sinasabi, malapit Vista Mall of Villar Development, Paseo de Santa Rosa, which is may wet market din dito. Talagang walking distance lang talaga from Zadea, no? At the same time, may mga major outlets tayo here, of course. Solenad, Mall of New Valley, at yung bagong itatayo na SM Premier just beside Healthway of Ayala Hospital, yung pinuntahan natin kanina. And rumored to have also the National University Santa Rosa. And of course guys, to give you an idea kung magkano ba yung mga rental monthly, no, or monthly rental ng mga nagpaparent na ngayon kay Zadea for a studio unit, nasa around 25 to 30,000 pesos tayo per month. Like for example, ako, no, to give you an idea, yung monthly ko ngayon, niloan ko kasi siya sa bangko, nasa around 19,000 plus. So mapaparentahan ko siya, depende sa kind of finishing at pag-furnish ko, at 25 to 30. So may overhead pa ako na 5 to 10,000 pesos at max. So yun ang maganda, nagiging self-liquidating siya at huwag kayong mag-alala dahil kung talagang intention nyo is pa-rent, hindi naman talaga kayo magbabayad niyan. Ang magbabayad niyan is yung nagre-rent na meron pa kayong kita. So kung gusto nyo makahabol guys, no, again, ang ganda ng views ng studio unit natin ngayon. May Greenfield City view pa at meron pang amenity view sa 17th floor ng Tower 3, which is pangalawa sa pinakamataas na floor ng building, no? Usually, mas may premium or mas maganda kapag nakakuha kayo sa high floor, lalo na kapag facing outside yung view na gusto nyong kunin. So, it's at around 20 to 23,000 pesos per month, no? At 33 months to pay down payment for 0% interest. Ngayon, dahil mababa na sila or sila yung pinakamababa sa market, no? Nag-15 unit reservation sila na price increase. So, again, every 15 unit purchase acquisition or every 15 unit reservation, nagpa-price increase si Zadea ngayon. So, habang no, hindi pa ganun kalaki yung nagiging talon, no, ng pag-price increase, habang nasa 4.2 to 4.3 million pesos pa lang ang total contract price, no, for 33 months to pay down payment at around 20 to 23,000 monthly down payment pa lang, pwede nyong ma-acquire to guys, no. Yung unit ko, no, ang intention ko talaga doon i-end use, pero napakalaki ng potential rental market, so pinapaayos ko lang ngayon to para i-interior design at ipa-rent out. So simpleng interior design lang, gagawin lang complete furnished, that's good na for rental purposes. So I hope guys na tour ko kayo around, lalo na sa mga major locator, kung bakit lagi ko sinasabi na napakalaki ng potential rental market ni Zadea, lalo na nung nalaman nyo kung gaano lang kalapit yung mga central business districts, hospitals, and schools sa area. So if you want to know more about this project, kung gusto nyo makahabol, be my neighbor guys, no, be my own personal property management, no, dahil meron din tayong plan, no, me as a personal property management, lalo na sa mga magiging future at existing na clients ko kay Zadea. Ako rin kasi merong unit doon, so hindi na tayo mahihirapan when it comes to the system, when it comes to getting our clients. So if you want to know more about this project, kung gusto nyo makahabol sa very low monthly down payment at below market value kay kaisa sa mga bagong nilo-launch, please contact me through 0927-185-1590 for iMessage, local number, Viber, and WhatsApp account, my Facebook page, TikTok account, and YouTube channel, The Property Geek. You can also directly message me on my personal Facebook account, Jaire Valerio Maclay. And we are still contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin, no? Still through estate tips and hacks. Again, this is Jaire Maclay. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok. And lagi nyong abangan guys, no? Nasa December, sorry, baka makalimutan ko, nasa US ako, major in Florida, no, and in Rochester, New York. So if you want to have a face-to-face consultation with me, just beep me a message. Again, this has been Jaire Maclay, your property geek. Bye guys!